GAME7 WEB3 Gaming Report in 3 minutes. Game developers' growth is rising in USA, South Korea, and Japan. Majority of WEB3 games are listed at Epic Games. WEB3 game development is concentrated on Unreal and Unity. WEB3 games separated into 3 types: on-chain asset, hybrid, fully on-chain. On-chain asset games are similar to WEB2 games, but the items are tradable. Hybrid is similar to on-chain asset games, but development governed by a DAO. Fully on-chain has everything on-chain, including the game logic. 83% of WEB3 games today are games with on-chain asset. Only 1% WEB3 games are having AAA quality. Only 1% WEB3 games have genre VR Arkansas. WEB3 games network layers split into 3 types: 1 lira, 2 lira, and 3 lira. 1 lira offers total sovereignty, but less decentralization. 2 lira offers Ethereum security. 3 lira offers top-level scalability. 2 lira had the most growth in 2023. WEB3 games network type break into 3 kinds: general, Appchain, and metachain. General networks like are for general use case, Appchains for specific use cases, metachain for specific functions. Appchain has shown the biggest growth in 2023. Top 5 EVM used for WEB3 games are EVM Cairo, SVM, wasm, and Move. Polygon, Immutable, and Arbitrum are networks receiving most migrations. The least funded WEB3 game developers based in South Korea, UK, Germany, Japan, and Vietnam.